Well, it was a nice day to grab my birds and head on out to my favorite little park and try a little flying today. I had the X650 and my Yellowbird, and when I flew the X650 today I had two 4S 4000 milliamp batteries on it to see what kind of flight time I'd get. I'm also running the arris CM2000 2-axis brushless gimbal, and I'm seeing a lot of twitching with the 650 as it is just stationary in the air. Well, as I was flying today, a couple of gentlemen came up to watch what I was doing. They happened to be some RC flyers from way back, so seeing my quadcopters stationary in the air with absolutely no input and the radios sitting on the hood of my van was quite amazing to them. Here I'm launching the Yellowbird as it comes up slowly in front of the 650. I did have them both hovering for quite a while, and then after a while I decided to land Yellowbird first and then land the 650 after that. Today I did mount the arris CM3000 3-axis brushless gimbal on my 650, and I'm going to see what kind of a difference that makes. And I land the 650 and pack it all away for another fun day.